Hey guys, pulled out my little LC tester circuit just to look at the broadcast band to make sure that the antenna coils and RF coils are good on the receiver. And you can see I'm picking up a local station here as I tune through, again just in the broadcast band only.
Right, but it is getting into the hertz, but the cost of
run it into it and is safe.
Alright, let's look at another method that I shared in one of my previous videos. I'm going to just hook up my O-scope and look at the RF section as it resonates, and I'll rotate the band switch. We'll just make sure I can pick up the signal, which would be going back to that first RF amplifier 6K7 tube. And I'm on the front section of the tuning condenser, and you can see I've got my O-scope hooked up at this location. That would be feeding the grid of the first RF amplifier in the set, the 6K7. I've identified the band setting on the switch itself, counterclockwise or full counterclockwise, you can see to the far left. Covers the broadcast band, then we jump up into the second shortwave band up to 6 megahertz, and then the third band being to the far right, you can see up to just almost 20 megahertz. So we can check the tuning condenser, make sure the antenna coils are resonating. I've got my signal generator hooked up. You can see the lead coming down from here. I'll start out around 540, 530 with the tuning condenser at full mesh. And you can see as I rotate it there, it resonates. And if I go back to the signal generator off camera, let me just see where this peaks. And again, capacitance will shift the frequency. So you can see it's resonating about 518 kilohertz. Let's open the tuning condenser open. And that should get me to the top part of the band up around 1750 kilohertz or 1.75 megahertz. And again, the capacitance is shifting things just a little south of that, but you can see we're resonating there at about 1480 kilohertz. Let me go ahead and go back to full mesh. We'll go back to the center position, and you can see we're resonating there at about 1.67 megahertz. Open the tuning condenser up. We should be able to resonate somewhere around 6 megahertz or so. And you can see we're resonating there at 5 and some change. Alright, the last band, let me close the tuning condenser again. And you can see about 5.5 megahertz. Open this up. Change my signal generator. So around 18 megahertz. I'll still check DC resistance on the coils, but it looks like the front end of the receiver, as far as the antenna coils back to this point, are probably in good shape. If they were open, we would not see, the resonation occur. Thanks for watching.